Are you ready?
I am ready. Big fish.
I think it's dark up in here. What? But check it out. Me.
And me.
And me. That's right. Mark Cook in the house. We are on our way to Lake Burton. We're gonna do a Burton beatdown today. That's what I'm feeling. I think he's feeling it too.
It's a Burton beatdown. It's coming.
So
train is on the track.
It's supposed to be 70 degrees today, which will be the warmest day of the year so far. So pretty jacked up, so stick with us. The Lord's Chicken, Chick-fil-A in the morning. That's right. We can't even launch the boat. What up? We're here.
We're gonna drive over that. Whatever we gotta do.
We're just gonna back that Mercury
over that
and into that deal. What the heck? Them boys better move. We got some fishing to do.
Yeah. The first bass of the day.
Let's go, dude.
Easy, Charlie. You're hung everywhere.
Got him.
Boom! Bring him to the house. You double up.
That's hilarious. I felt him crack it. I was like, oh, who's your daddy?
Pull through it. Hoping to get the rod jerked down, but didn't. Oh, I saw that. Got him?
Golly, dude, yeah.
That ain't gonna be a perch, I'll guarantee you that.
No, I think it's all big. Did you see that line?
Yeah, I thought line twitched. I was like, load up. Oh, yeah.
Oh, it is a pickerel.
Unbelievable.
Look at that. My buddy said they just whacked them. Are you slowly on it?
There.
You doing it good?
No, it's weird. It's still...
Oh my gosh, it's another pickerel, bro.
That's weird feeling. I knew it was a damn bass.
Biggest fish was 4.5.
What is this I've got?
Did you like that?
Oh, it is one. And it is a, whatever it is a toad.
Dude.
You may be netting this one. What am I going to do with that?
Dude, you gotta kill that one.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
That's good eating. We might throw him on the other side.
You ain't boat flipping that thing. You boat flipping your stud.
I got to get him coming in the right direction.
God.
Look down in his mouth. I don't know what he just ate. See that tail?
What is that?
Tail or something.
Dude, I kind of want to pull it out.
Check that out.
Dude, it looks like a crappie's
It's
tail.
big something. There he is. Ooh, and that's taking drag. Be a bass.
Nope.
God.
It's kind of fun watching this, bro. Oh,
Oh, that was cool when you pulled that blanket. I was hoping that was a big one. Just... Oh, look at here. Prince of pickerel.
I busted his face, I'll say that. Don't be growling at me.
He's not happy with you.
Oh, dude, you better let go. Can you pry open his mouth so he don't tear my contact?
Got our rod ready for, oh, there he is, be a bass. Unfortunately, it feels like, no, it's Kentucky. Oh, thank God it came off.
Times two so
A little quicker.
Yeah,
Give you
real
that-
time.
Yeah. You gotta realize,
Oh gosh.
I just had to do a manual reset
Oh my
on
gosh,
both.
dude.
Really?
You hear that?
Oh, they're
There's
crushing
waves.
it. Got him?
Yeah,
Be
he
a
knocked
bass.
slack in it. I think it is. I think it's a good one too. He knocked some slack in it, bro. It's a big one. Oh, it's a big
Oh, it's
spot.
a
giant spot.
big spot.
Oh my gosh.
To get the net.
Oh my gosh. Dude, there's giants all over him.
Really?
I got him.
You got him? You want the net?
No, I got him. Oh my gosh, he absolutely choked it. Look at the size of that spot.
That's a 5-6 pound spot.
Oh my gosh.
Don't get him in the troll motor.
No, I'm not.
Come on, buddy.
Oh my gosh.
You got hit 3 times.
He knocked so much slack in it.
Oh, he's got it. Get him out there.
Yeah! Baby, let's go, kid!
Give me knuckles.
Oh!
That's a monster spot.
There he is, dude. Please be a giant, dude. I don't know what it is.
If it's another big bass, I'm going contact with you.
It's not a kayak, I'm throwing a jerkbait now. Giant pickerel.
Oh, side hook chicken. And they're jumping. Oh, gosh. And he's off. Easy release.
That was a gruesome spot.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Got him?
Yeah. Pickerel, I think. Freaking pickerel.
Oh, that's stuck
Dude.
here. Be a bass.
It feels like one. It feels like a daggum good one too. Come up, baby, it's coming up.
Oh, gosh. Be a bass.
I think it is. Oh, dude, it's a giant spot again. Oh gosh. He ain't huge. He's a big one.
Oh, he's fatter than mud.
Dude, he hammered that freaking thing. Dude, the trolling motor, I was literally, that one paused and the trolling motor was going backwards. It felt like I was almost like trolling it and it's oh my god. Midday update, Lake Burton, hanging out with Mark Cook. We have caught legitimately probably 25 fish, and of those 25 fish, 3 of them have been bass. We've caught a ton of pickerel and
A perch.
And some more pickerel and a few bass. But the bass we have are studs. One's a 5-pound spot, and then 2 3.5 pound. One's a largemouth, one's a spot. So our goal today was over 20 pounds, and we're swinging for some giant largemouth and giant spots. So the day's still young. I think it's about 11 o'clock right now. So boom, could happen. Oh my gosh, he choked.
got one?
Yeah. And it's a spot. It might be good. Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's a dandy, buddy. That is a dandy.
He's trying to shake.
Don't let him shake you. Oh, no. That's a nice one, buddy.
Oh, yeah.
He's just got that last set of hooks, so be careful with him. Yeah.
Oh, boom, man.
Oh, wow.
On the big ends. What up?